Battery installation. Remove the battery compartment. Install the 4 AA alkaline batteries. And place the battery compartment back into the safe. Silent mode. Press and hold the 1 button until the scanner's green light flashes twice. The silent mode will be enabled. To exit silent mode, repeat the same steps as above. Time setting. Press and hold the 4 button to enter the time setting mode. Press the 1 button to switch between adjusting hours and minutes. Press the 3 button to increase the value. Press the 2 button to decrease the value. Press the 4 button to save the settings and exit the time setting mode.